Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick and Partners along with Bob Iacino. Checking in on Tesla. Tesla 4-hour chart couldn't hold the rotation zone. Dipped down below it, then closing back into it, then finally breaking down. We talked about the 330 level, this 25% GAN pullback, 329.93 to be exact. So other low lining up as another key level support, closing just above that. Let's check in on the daily chart though. More important. We also talked about the divergences in the last video, and it was looking very toppy, and it was pretty toppy, so watch for that pullback. Now, if we get below this 25% GAN level, if we don't have a strong rotation up here or a bottoming pattern, which we do not have, the next key level of support on the daily and is about 323 for minor support, and the next major support's coming in about 316. So those are the next key levels we'll be watching again for a potential reversal pattern. That's what we're looking for. If we do have go below that, let's check in on the weekly. Always important to keep the big picture in mind. And look at this on the weekly. Sorry about that fast scrolling. We have the rising rotation zone on the weekly coming in at 316. So that 316's level is going to be very key. If it does dip below there, we can watch for 310. 310, we have the bottom of the rotation zone on the weekly, the rising 50 on the weekly. Let's check that out back on the daily. 310, also we have the flat 200 on the daily. So if we do drop below that 316, this critical area that should maintain support is this 310 area. If we get a close below that 310 area, then I'll be watching for the rotation zone to be crossing on the 4-hour. Then it would be shorting the rallies again. But until then, it's hands off right now. Well, hopefully everybody raised their stops, took off some profits on this rally. Now we're watching for a potential pullback. We're not just buying any dip. We need some kind of reversal pattern at one of these key levels to trigger something, because this was toppy with divergences. So any advice, which we can't give because this is all just some educational advice on how to read charts and how to look at stocks, would be patient. Wait for this sell-off to unfold and watch for the key levels. And again, we're not providing any advice other than educational advice, helping people learn key concepts like GAN levels, rotation zones, support and resistance. Also right down here, you see between this 310 and 316, this was prior resistance, and then we'll look for that to become potential support. So that's combining price action and some other technical indicators to help us fine-tune our analysis of stocks like Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.